Hello student, welcome to chemistry class. In today chemistry class, we will study physical properties. Okay. In yesterday class, we saw the boiling point. Today also we will start from the boiling point also. Okay. Boiling point increases on increasing molecular weight. Okay. Primary and secondary amines have high boiling point than tertiary amine due to formation of intermolecular hydrogen bond. Okay, you can see here primary means RNH2 can form two hydrogen bond, therefore its boiling point will be more than R2NH because it can form one hydrogen bond, and last one is the R3N because it has no hydrogen. So it can't form a hydrogen bond. Okay, but you can see that in case of amines, we form say regular terms or regular order, primary, secondary, tertiary, when the amines are in gaseous state. When amines are in gaseous state means you will find regular order. Why? In gaseous form they do not react to each other. Okay, therefore we find a regular term. Okay, now this is the boiling point. Okay, now we will see. You can see here primary amine can form two hydrogen bond. Okay, it can form two hydrogen bonds. How? You can see here this one with another amine. Okay, this one with the another amines. You can see here, suppose this one is the, here can be hydrogen bond. Okay, very extensive hydrogen bonding takes place. This is the hydrogen bond, this one is the hydrogen bond, this one is the hydrogen bond. It means primary amine can form more than one hydrogen bond. it can form more than one hydrogen bond. Therefore, its boiling point is more than secondary, as it can form only one hydrogen bond. And in case of tertiary amine, you will find that there is no hydrogen bonding. Therefore, its boiling point is very less in comparison to primary and secondary. Okay. Now we will come to the solubility. अब हम लोग solubility पे आएंगे. क्या होता है solubility? Solubility, as you know that it is the ability of solvent to dissolve a fixed amount of the solute in it is known as solubility. Now, in case of amines, lower members are soluble in water due to polarity and ability of forming hydrogen bond. Okay. Only lower members means carbon 1, 2, 3 up to 3, you can say that they are soluble in water. Why? They can form hydrogen bond and they are more polar. Okay. But on increasing carbon chain length of amine, solubility in water decreases. Solubility in water decreases. But decreases and increases in non-polar solvent, like alcohol, ether, and and benzene, etc. Lower member are soluble in water. Why? They are more polar. Why they are more polar? Because length of alkyl chain is very small. But as the length of carbon chain increases, their polarity decreases. Okay, and they become more and more non-polar, and they become more soluble in non-polar solvent like the alcohol, ether, benzene. Okay, this is the reason why solubility of amines decreases on increasing carbon chain length. Okay, now we will come to this one is the solubility portion. Okay, now we come to the basic nature. Okay, one more point. Aromatic aromatic amines. Amines are soluble in non-polar solvents like ether, alcohol, etc. Because its hydrocarbon part is larger. Okay. Next we will come to the basicity or basic nature of amines. Basic nature of amines. It is very important portion of the chapter. It is very important point of the chapter. Now let's come. As you know that you can write I know also. As we know that nitrogens have a lone pair electron in amines. Therefore they are Lewis base. Okay, they are Lewis base. If we have to understand the basicity or basic concept, or you can basic nature of amines, then we should study about the pKb value and Kb value. Okay, हमने यहाँ पे क्या देखा बच्चों कि ये जो हमारा एमाइंस होते हैं बेसिक नेचर के होते हैं क्योंकि नाइट्रोजन के पास एक लोन पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है. दिस इज द एमाइन. इट हैज 3 बॉन्ड and this one is the lone pair. And this lone pair is donated by this nitrogen. Therefore, as you know that lone pair donors are base and lone pair acceptor are acid. Therefore, amines are what? Amines are basic in nature. They are called Lewis base. Okay, but you have to understand the concept of basicity. You should study about the Kb and pKb value. As you have learned in the class 11th, equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, in which we studied about the pKb value, pKa value, pKa value and Ka value. These are the equilibrium constant, and pKb is the pH like. Okay, one suppose this one is the amine. It reacts with water, and as you know that water is proton acceptor as well as proton donor. Okay, now see here what will happen here. RNH3 plus and OH minus. Now Kb at equilibrium Kb is equal to concentration of RNH3 plus and OH minus, and here RNH2 and R, suppose here is K H2. Now you can write this like Kb, and Kb is equal to K into concentration of water equal to, we should write little below, K B is equal to K into water molecule, which will give NH3 plus OH minus and then RNH2. Okay, what this suggests to you? What is suggesting this one? This one is suggesting that if the concentration of this increases, value of Kb decreases. Value of Kb decreases means this Kb value indicate the power of basic nature. Power of basic nature. As this concentration increases, it is in the reciprocal, its value will be decreases. But its concentration decreases means formation of this one is taking place, means reaction, if reaction is the forward direction, then concentration of OH increases and Kb value also increases. Let's see once again. First of all, we will write the equilibrium constant at the equilibrium. What is here? This one is the product and this one is the reactant, and we know that its concentration is taken as 1, so we write here K into H2O, which is equal to Kb. Now from here you see that if its concentration increases, its value decreases. Why? It is in the reciprocal of this one. If its concentration decreases, it means if reaction is going in the forward direction, then in that condition Kb value will be increases. Kb value will increases. When increases? When reaction goes in the forward direction. Okay. Now you can see that larger the value of Kb, larger the value of Kb, higher will be basic nature. Will be basic nature. Okay, basic. Larger the value of Kb, higher will be basic nature. इसका nature क्या होगा? High होगा. Now we come to the relation between Kb and pKb, and you know that as we calculate the pH is equal to minus log concentration of hydrogen ion. Similarly, you can write here minus log Kb minus log Kb. Okay. Here is the larger the value of Kb, higher will be basic nature. Higher will be basic nature. If it is higher, it means this one is the negative value. This one is the negative value. Now you can say that. अब आप क्या कह सकते हैं? You can say that larger the higher the value of Kb and lower value of pKb then higher will be basic nature of amines. ओके, अमाइंस की का बेसिक नेचर क्या होगा? ज़्यादा होगा. नोट डाउन प्लीज. Okay, now we come to comparison. On the comparison of two substances, which one is more basic and which one is less basic. Okay, this topic is very important. You can also discuss in my live class. Okay, now see the amines versus alcohol ether and esters. Okay, here since as you know that since nitrogen is less electronegative than oxygen of alcohol, ether and ester. Therefore, it can accommodate more positive ions. There and becomes more basic than alcohol and ether. ओके, बात समझ में आई कि नहीं? देखिए फिर से बात बताते हैं. अगर हम एमाइंस और अल्कोहल ईथर एस्टर से कंपैरिजन करते हैं बेसिक नेचर का, तो हम क्या पाते हैं कि अल्कोहल में क्या है, ROH है, यहाँ भी लोन पेयर, यहाँ भी लोन पेयर है, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या है, NH2, यहाँ एक लोन पेयर। लेकिन अब ये लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव देन दिस वन है, नाइट्रोजन इज लेस नेगेटिव देन दिस वन, इट्स साइज इज लार्जर देन ऑक्सीजन। ऑक्सीजन से यहाँ पे साइज क्या है, बड़ी है और इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी कम है, तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रोटॉन को एक्सेप्ट कर सकता है, यानी पॉजिटिव आयन को। ग्रेटर द एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी ऑफ पॉजिटिव आयन, ग्रेटर विल बी बेसिक नेचर, ग्रेटर विल बी बेसिक नेचर। तो वही हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है कि नाइट्रोजन इज लेस इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव, किससे, ऑक्सीजन। अब इसकी वजह से ये मोर एंड मोर आयंस को, पॉजिटिव आयन को एकोमोडेट कर सकता है, इसलिए ये क्या हो जाएगा, मोर बेसिक हो जाएगा। ये क्या हो जाएगा, मोर बेसिक। नोट डाउन। ओके, it means amines are more basic than alcohol. Okay, now we will see here comparison between ammonia and alkyl amine. Alkyl amine versus ammonia. Now see from the structure. Here structure of amine, alkyl amine is this, and structure of ammonia is this. Now you can compare yourself, which one will be more basic in nature, ammonia or alkyl amine? Yes, which one is the more basic? Now you see here, availability of lone pair or acceptability of proton indicate the nature of basic nature of the amines, indicate the basic nature of amines. कहने का मतलब है कि लोन पेयर का प्रेजेंट होना ये बताता है कि ये बेसिक हो सकता है, क्योंकि ये लोन पेयर डोनेट कर सकता है। लोन पेयर क्या कर सकता है, डोनेट कर सकता है। तो इस केस में जब ये डोनेट करने वाले क्या होते हैं, क्या होते हैं, लुईस बेसिक होते हैं। लेकिन अगर ये प्रोटॉन एक्सेप्ट भी कर सकते हैं, देन दे आर आल्सो बेसिक इन नेचर। ओके, now you compare yourself here. You see that here is alkyl amine, this is the alkyl group, this one is the electron releasing group, this one is the electron releasing group. This electron releasing group make more electron rich टू द नाइट्रोजन। ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग ग्रुप है वो नाइट्रोजन को मोर एंड मोर जो है कि इलेक्ट्रॉन अवेलेबल होगा, उतना ये डोनेट करने के लिए भी अवेलेबल होगा। ये क्या होगा, डोनेट करने के लिए अवेलेबल होगा। मेक नोन पेयर ऑफ nitrogen more available and it become more basic. मोर बेसिक। ओके, इससे ये क्या हो जाएगा, मोर बेसिक हो जाएगा। ठीक है, अब इसके बाद हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं, यहाँ पे क्या है, कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप नहीं है, नो एनी टाइप ऑफ ग्रुप, नो एनी टाइप ऑफ ग्रुप। यहाँ पे कोई ग्रुप नहीं है, तो ये लोन पेयर तो अवेलेबल है, लोन पेयर क्या है, अवेलेबल है, लेकिन इसके कंपैरिजन में नहीं, इसके कंपैरिजन में नहीं। ओके, तो स्टूडेंट आज हमने यहाँ पे देख लिया कि बेसिक नेचर किस तरह से हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से जान सकते हैं। अभी इसमें और भी कुछ है, कल देखेंगे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस।